The fish shop. Mom went to shop. Mom went to shop for fish. I went with Mom. I at the shop. Here there were a lot of fish. Where there were the lot of shellfish. To the there were
dah berapa kali dah ni?
were fish, crabs and clam. Mom got some fresh fish. Mom got some fresh fish for pet. The cat likes fresh fish. Mom likes fresh crab. Dad like fish. Fresh clam. I like fresh fish. Chop the fish. Chop the fish of for pet. Mom put the fish in the dish for pet. I put some milk and in the dish for pet too. Pet had fish and milk for lunch. Mom that had crab frog for lunch. Dad had clam for lunch. I had fish and chips.
Ada S. Chips.
For lunch. Okay. We that had fish. Such. Lunch.